I saw him. I watched him swallow it.
Why
Plus,
did he get this one?
because he found it. I guess they let mice go in this area.
Unless they put them in here.
I think so.
Well, there's certain animals that won't eat dead prey.
True.
If we used to feed the owls and hawks and falcons, they would eat already dead.
But others won't. They need the chase.
But like pythons
watch.
and boa constrictors will
It's
not.
gonna swallow that whole thing. Watch. There it goes. There it goes. Breathe, bro.
Oh.
You have to adjust. Too big. Done.
Oh my goodness.
That's two.
Hopefully we don't have to watch the
The cough up.
terror hacking up.